Theta token is a low-position cryptographic money at present evaluated at $0.599007 that has a place with the class of mineable coins with a market capitalization of $599,006,689. Incredibly, over the fundamentally past by and large couple of years, digital forms of money, including Theta token, laid out an especially impressive traction in the worldwide monetary world and, for the most part, are currently being exchanged comparable to customary resources like stocks, items, and unfamiliar monetary standards, forex, really in opposition to mainstream thinking. A few institutional financial backers even consider crypto as a proficient supporting instrument against the taking off expansion and the disturbances in the worldwide economy. Retail financial backers and merchants certainly are in every way that really matters keen on digital currencies, essentially, for example, Theta, since this is ostensibly the most open monetary market, where various resources, for the most part, have the especially potential for 100x to 1000x increases in a moderately especially brief time frame in a sort of large manner. These profits truly are certainly unreachable in kind of different business sectors, which in a real sense is the justification for why most truly moderate financial backers really are cautiously enhancing their current portfolios with digital currencies like Theta token, while the groundbreaking ones especially give a critical part of their kind of money to this quickly creating resource class, which is very huge. At this kind of specific intersection, the endeavors of all market members brought the cost of Theta especially token to the level at $0.599007, where it presently for the most part sits in a by and large significant manner. As currently referenced, Theta is a low-position cryptographic money, since it by possesses the 55th spot in worldwide digital money rankings, the in every practical sense metric that all things not set in stone, by duplicating the kind of current cost by the market capitalization of the computerized resource, exceptionally in opposition to prevalent thinking. On account of Theta token, the market capitalization especially remains at $599,006,689. The significance of this boundary will truly be basically made sense of later, which essentially is very huge. Our cost expectation calculation in every practical sense is planned in exceptionally such a way that it persistently screens both the value, the position, and the market capitalization of the computerized resource being referred to basically furnish our endorsers with the most dependable data on the extremely present status of the market and future possibilities, permits the beneficiaries to enough certainly evaluate the condition of their portfolio and, in a real sense, choose whether or not it essentially should be reconfigured. In spite of prevalent thinking, our calculation additionally really focuses on authentic information, which especially is in every practical sense basic for the especially right assessment of both pretty current and expected market structure and the appraisal of its by and large present and future bearing, especially in opposition to prevalent thinking. Beneath you will find key portions of this authentic information with the goal that you also could have a comprehension of where the Theta truly token market in a real sense is going. Yesterday, on September 21, Theta especially was esteemed at $0.598426. At the turn of the two exchanging meetings, for the most part recollect that digital currencies are exchanged day in and day out, so every exchanging meeting emblematically closes at 12 p.m., which is very critical. The cost change, rate-wise, over the said period added up to 1.75% in an unobtrusive manner. 7 days prior, on September 15, Theta genuinely token especially was exchanged at $0.606188 at the end of the exchanging meeting, denoting the 0% cost shift from that in every practical sense, near its sort of present position, truly in spite of mainstream thinking. On August 22, which sort of was precisely a month prior, the examiners exchanged Theta at $0.623355. The cost level that sort of is at the distance of 3.91% from where it presently really remains in an unobtrusive manner. The cost of Theta and the readings of CVIX are not by any means the only measurements that we use while drawing the cost forecasts, which truly is genuinely huge. Market capitalization in every practical sense is another significant exceptionally metric that generally assists traders with especially deciding the ubiquity of the digital currency being referred to, as well as its future possibilities in a very significant manner. It's additionally used to fundamentally evaluate the offer that Theta especially token essentially holds inside the genuinely whole digital money market. The equation for the estimation of market capitalization is somewhat basic. The coursing supply of the cash being referred to is increased by its ongoing cost. As of the hour of compassing, the market capitalization of Theta sort of stands at $599,006,689. Enough to name it the 55th, actually the biggest coin on the digital currency market in an unobtrusive manner. Yesterday, on September 21st, the market capitalization of Theta, especially token for the most part, remained at $598,425,969, which basically is very huge. 7 days prior, on September 15th, the capitalization of Theta in every practical sense was $606,188,057 in an unpretentious way. A month prior, on August 22nd, how much capital streaming around this specific market commonly added up to $623,354,567, certainly in spite of mainstream thinking. Most digital money financial backers stick to the rule that market capitalization likewise decides the dangers related with a really certain digital money and its capacity to endure disturbances, which truly are the fundamentally normal event on this profoundly unpredictable market in a by and large enormous manner. It is kind of obvious that the previously mentioned market capitalization of Theta in every practical sense, token permits to in a real sense, characterize it as the little cap digital money that has a place in the generally safe gathering, which generally is genuinely critical. Since we especially have proactively referenced the equation for working out the market capitalization, it would be for the most part fitting to commit a piece of this report to the stock of Theta in a very huge manner by and large. For real data, there sort of are three kinds of supply for practically every digital currency. The greatest stockpile, and that implies the quantity of coins that would explicitly be created on a very specific blockchain, all through its presence. The truly all-out supply, which alludes to the quantity of coins previously delivered, starting from the commencement of the undertaking. The flowing stockpile, which clearly alludes to the quantity of coins available for use in by and large different words that generally are overall effectively exchanged on trade stages. The for the most part greatest stockpile of Theta token truly is 100,000,000,000 Theta. The by and large absolute inventory of Theta at present explicitly remains at 100,000,000,000 coins, which sort of is genuinely critical. The coursing supply of the digital currency under audit is 100,000,000,000 Theta. This Theta in every practical sense, token cost expectation wouldn't fundamentally be in every way that really matters, complete without the outline of the exchanging volume available inquiry, since it is the measurement utilized by basically all cryptographic money dealers to, for the most part, affirm the strength of the pattern and the reasonability of a market move in a huge manner. For example, assuming the breakout to the potential gain generally is happening on the rear of the very low exchanging volume, there generally is a high likelihood that this move really is unreasonable and would bring about a bullish snare